Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Laura in Last Z Survival Shooter. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so to get Laura, you need to go and click onto the hero icon, bottom left hand corner of the page, and then if you just click on the hero, so Laura is here. So here's Laura here. She's wearing a red top and blue jean shorts. So Laura is a S rarity orange hero from the Wings of Dawn faction. So she is classed as a defense type hero focused on protecting the team. You can unlock Laura in a few different ways. So using recruitment tickets in the hero recruitment summoning system, or by purchasing special offers when they are available. These off the shop in store bundles or in limited time offers. Now there's a few things to keep in mind. Even though it says she can be unlocked with recruitment tickets, whether she appears in the regular recruitment pool depends on the current events, banner, or hero rotation. So she may not always be playable via tickets at all times. Because she's S rank as well, getting her, especially via special offers, may involve a higher cost or more rare limited resources. So save up recruitment tickets or keep an eye on the store.